Hey MD, January 30th, 1948. A single gunshot changed India's destiny forever. But here's a fascinating question. What if that moment never happened? What if Gandhi had lived to guide the newly independent nation he helped create? In our reality, partition tore India and Pakistan apart with horrific violence. Over 1 million people died, MD. But Gandhi's presence could have changed everything. His moral authority was unmatched. Imagine him walking into riot-torn villages, fasting until the violence stopped, just like he'd done before. His voice might have saved thousands of lives. Now here's where it gets really interesting, MD. Gandhi and Nehru often clashed on policy. Nehru wanted rapid industrialization and a strong centralized state. Gandhi? He dreamed of village-based economies and decentralization. With Gandhi alive and influential, India's development path might have looked completely different. Less factories, more self-sufficient rural communities. Would India be the tech powerhouse it is today? Probably not. The Kashmir conflict? That's trickier. Gandhi might have pushed harder for a peaceful resolution, maybe even advocating for a plebiscite to let Kashmiris decide their own fate. But let's be honest, the geopolitical forces at play were massive. Pakistan and India both wanted Kashmir. Even Gandhi's influence had limits when national interests collided this intensely. Beyond India, Gandhi alive in the 1950s and 60s. That's huge. He could have directly influenced the American civil rights movement, meeting Martin Luther King Jr. in person. He might have spoken against the Cold War arms race, adding his voice to the nuclear disarmament movement. His philosophy of non-violence could have shaped global conflicts differently. But let's keep it real, MD. By 1948, Gandhi was 78 years old and frail. Even if he'd survived, he might have only lived another few years. And here's the hard truth. India's government was already moving away from his ideals before he died. One person, even Gandhi, can only do so much against the tide of history. So what's the answer? History isn't made by single individuals alone, even great ones. Gandhi's survival might have eased partition's pain, shifted some policies, inspired more movements. But the fundamental forces shaping modern India, those were already in motion. Great job following along, MD. Sometimes the most honest answer is, we'll never really know.